Good morning, students. Today I am going to start a new chapter of physics, that is sound. First of all, you know that what is the meaning of sound. It is given on the board. Sound is a form of energy which produces the sense of hearing to our ear. So if anyone asks you what is sound, very simple answer: a form of energy which gives, which exists, which produces the sense of hearing to our ear, that is known as sound. Now, second question here: how is sound produced? How is sound produced? Here I have a production of sound. Sound is produced by the vibration of object. Second question: how is sound produced? Very simple answer: sound is produced by the vibration of object. This means if I want to produce sound in the bench or desk, I have to knock, I have to strike the bench or desk with the help of any hard object. If I want to produce sound from a drum should be struck with either fingers or any hard things so that sound produce. In all the things, there should be vibration of that object in which we want to produce sound. So this is right answer. How is sound produced? Sound is produced by the vibration of object. Different type of object we have in our surrounding, and the nature of vibration of different object is different. That's why vibration is different for different object, depending on the nature of the object. But to produce sound, there must be the vibration in that object. That object may be either solid, liquid, or gaseous, etc. Now, once again, tell me here, what is vibration? What do you mean by vibration? Rapid to and fro motion of an object is called vibration. If an object vibrates, that is moves to and fro fastly, rapidly, this is known as vibration. Suppose that I want to give vibration, this is rapid to and fro movement, in the object that give rise to vibration, and due to that vibration, sound is produced. Now only one thing here: what is the importance of sound? Sound helps us to communicate with others. If a teacher teaches in the class and students are there in the class, a teacher communicates, speak the topic in the class, explain the topic. This means this is the communication. If any student has problem to understand the question, they can raise the question and a teacher give the answer of that question. That's why it helps us to communicate. Not only teaching, to talk to one another. We also express our feeling, sometimes happiness, sometimes sorrow, etc. So these are the communication. Communication include any happy things, any sorrowful things may be there, and we have to mutually talk. We have to speak on a stage to address some people. These are communication skills. So it helps us to communicate with other people, other person. Okay. Now, what are the types of sound we hear every day in our surrounding? Name few sounds. First of all, in our family, we hear the sound of family members, father, mother, brother, sisters, or any relatives. In school, we hear the sound of school bells, sound of teacher, sound of classmate, etc. When we want to enjoy any musical instrument like sitar, guitar, etc., we hear the sound of musical instrument. But when we go on the road, we hear the sound of means of transportation, car, buses, scooters, motorcycles, or maybe flying aeroplane, etc. So sometimes we also hear the sound of chirping of birds, sound of animals. So there are countless sounds which we observe, which we hear in our surrounding, in our daily life. So these are the few questions and answers of these questions based on sound, a form of energy. Thanks, that's all.